Recent industry whispers suggest that DJI, the drone and action camera giant, might be preparing to shake up the full-frame mirrorless market in a way few could have anticipated. Multiple sources have hinted at DJI's development of a compelling mid-range, full-frame camera that could challenge established players like Canon, Sony, and Nikon in their most profitable segment. The rumors point to an aggressive entry into the market with a camera that combines traditional photography prowess with DJI's computational imaging expertise. According to sources familiar with the development, DJI's first full-frame camera is expected to feature a 24-megapixel sensor, positioning it directly against popular models like the Canon R6, Mark II, and Sony a7 IV. This choice of resolution appears deliberate, striking a balance between image quality and processing capabilities. What makes this particularly interesting is the rumored inclusion of AI-powered upscaling technology, which could potentially transform those 24 megapixels into 96 megapixel images when needed, offering photographers unprecedented flexibility in their workflow. The autofocus system, traditionally a make-or-break feature for any serious camera contender, is said to incorporate advanced phase detect technology with sophisticated eye and object tracking capabilities. Sources suggest that DJI is leveraging its expertise in drone subject tracking to develop a system that can recognize and track vehicles, animals, and people with remarkable accuracy. This would be complemented by impressive burst shooting capabilities of up to 20 frames per second, putting it squarely in competition with the best performers in its class. On the video front, the camera is rumored to offer 4K recording at up to 120 frames per second with full autofocus capabilities. This specification, while not revolutionary in today's market, becomes more interesting when paired with DJI's expertise in stabilization systems. Reports suggest the camera will incorporate either in-body image stabilization, IBIS, or a sophisticated digital stabilization system similar to what's found in their action cameras, potentially offering hybrid shooters a compelling alternative to existing options. One of the most intriguing aspects of the rumored specifications is the inclusion of 512 gigabytes of built-in storage. This would be a significant departure from traditional camera design and could potentially streamline workflow for many photographers, especially those who shoot events or long video sequences. While traditional memory card slots would likely still be included, having substantial built-in storage could be a game-changing feature for many users. The user interface is another area where DJI might be planning to differentiate itself. Leveraging their ownership of Hasselblad, the camera is said to feature an Android-based menu system inspired by Hasselblad's interface design. This could potentially address one of the most persistent complaints about traditional cameras: their often dated and cumbersome user interfaces. A modern smartphone-like interface could make the camera more accessible to younger photographers, while still maintaining the depth of control required by professionals. Perhaps the most ambitious rumored feature is the camera's lens mount compatibility. Sources suggest that DJI is developing a system that would be compatible with Sony E-mount, Leica L-mount, and Canon EF mount lenses. This remarkable flexibility could be a major selling point for photographers who already own quality glass from multiple systems. The technical challenges of implementing such a system are significant, particularly in terms of maintaining autofocus performance and electronic communication across different lens protocols. If DJI can successfully deliver this feature, it could set a new standard for lens compatibility in the industry. The pricing strategy appears equally aggressive, with sources suggesting a target price point of around $2,700. This positions the camera squarely in the most popular segment of the full-frame market, offering a compelling alternative to established models without undercutting them to the point of seeming inferior. This price point would allow DJI to establish itself as a serious player in the market, while still maintaining healthy margins. Industry analysts suggest that this camera could be just the first step in a broader strategy. If successful, DJI might follow up with more specialized models, including a high-speed variant capable of 30 to 40 frames per second for sports and wildlife photographers, and a high-resolution flagship model with 40-plus megapixels and 8K video capabilities for studio and landscape photographers. The timing of this potential market entry is particularly interesting given the current state of the camera industry. Traditional manufacturers have been relatively conservative in their approach to innovation, focusing on incremental improvements rather than revolutionary changes. DJI's fresh perspective and willingness to challenge conventional camera design could be exactly what the market needs to spark a new wave of innovation. DJI's expertise in computational photography and AI could give them a significant advantage in developing features that blend traditional camera capabilities with modern processing techniques. The company's experience with drone cameras has already demonstrated their ability to create sophisticated tracking systems and stabilization algorithms. Applying this knowledge to a full-frame camera could result in unique capabilities that set it apart from current offerings. However, entering the full-frame camera market presents significant challenges, even for a company with DJI's resources and technical expertise. Building trust among professional photographers, ensuring reliable performance across multiple lens ecosystems, and developing a professional service and support network would all be crucial for success. The company would also need to convince photographers that their first attempt at a full-frame camera can deliver the reliability and image quality they expect from established brands. The success of this venture could have far-reaching implications for the camera industry. If DJI can successfully combine traditional camera capabilities with modern computational features at a competitive price point, it could force other manufacturers to accelerate their own innovation cycles. The integration of features like built-in storage and Android-based interfaces might become standard expectations rather than novel additions. As we await official confirmation or denial of these rumors, one thing is clear. If DJI does enter the full-frame camera market with a product matching these specifications, it could mark the beginning of a new era in digital photography. The combination of traditional camera capabilities with modern computational features, all at a competitive price point, could make this one of the most significant camera launches in recent years, potentially reshaping the landscape of professional photography equipment for years to come. We think DJI go for APS-C. It's the perfect value machine for YouTubers, assuming they have an attractive mount. Even the Pocket 3 is almost purchasable versus the other mirrorless competitors. The only reason to not buy it for studio work is that it doesn't have an interchangeable lens.